Good morning, it's December 5th. All markets are up worldwide. Futures are up in the US. We'll try to set up our fibs and look for a setup. I have a problem with Ninja that I've had before. On the 610, we're not up to date. We're still stuck back on last Friday, so I'm going to have to delete and re-add that indicator. We'll take a pause. Here we see a strong down on the rail, but 987 coming across. Looks like it should rise. 1597 confirms that, and 4181's coming to the rail strong up, so it looks like we should be going up anytime now. Price action is sideways though. Seems like we're kind of stalled out. Now we're getting some separation underneath on 233. Still coming across on 1597. We'll take a pause. Okay, we're breaking out of this channel. I look for a pullback to perhaps get in along. It looks like we're still in the channel, but I do see a movement up coming. We'll take a pause. Okay, we've got our 610 chart back. And we're getting further down. I expected us to rise, so I was incorrect on that. So here we've come to a deep. This could be where we make our reverse up. Look for a little move up and then maybe a pullback and then up. volumes have moved up. Well, looks like more down. Got a double bottom potential over here. So we missed out on this nice little foot type formation here. I saw that, but still thinking we were going to go higher. Okay, we're getting some separation on 440. We'll take a pause for setup. Okay, we have made a move up. I reset a fib here. 610 still strong on the rail though. Take a pause. I'm back and we can see we had some news at 9. Caused a pretty big swing. Coming back up. Potential reversal here at 23. Got a lot of uncertainty expressed in the bars, in the indicator setups. Doesn't seem like a good day for trading. So I'm pretty much sitting on my hands right now. Here's a head and shoulders. Looks like that head and shoulders did pretty well. Over a point. Have a potential for a mid-band push here. Kind of gracefully sliding down on the 610. Also 987, but it's been inside the bands. .440 shows us going sideways, but coiling. Just a lot of a lack of oomph for what's going to happen next. Let's try to make a prediction. Okay, in terms of reversion to the mean. We're well above the midline on the larger indicators. I think predictions are really difficult for me at this point. Now our volumes are diminishing, so that makes it even tougher, and likely more wise to stay out of the market at this point. We'll take a pause. Alright, we see somewhat of a foot forming on 610, so we could have a long here. We're finally underneath the Bollinger Band on 987, coming straight across on 1597 could also indicate up, and we've got up for the long-term indicators. So let's see if we get a pullback here, an opportunity to get in. Bands are really close on this 440 and 610, so there's not much conviction that we're going to move far. Got the Keltner band going up. Did have a mid-band push. Now we're looking for a pullback. Volumes are kind of light. Oh, there we go. We're moving up. We missed that boat. And that mid-band push is really was the opportunity. I'd like you to take a look at the 610. And have you ever seen BBs being squeezed that tightly by the Bollinger Bands? That's amazing. A lot of sideways action indicated. The big charts are still showing up. And we are getting a gradual rise. Okay, we're coming to a double top here, also an area. But just no real conviction for a change in direction. And our volumes are light also, so it's probably best to keep our powder dry and wait to shoot at another time. And we could be approaching our high of the day, and up at 49 749.5. We have a double top from about a month ago, so this could be a nice area for reversal. If we can get up there. We'll take a pause. We're back and we're approaching the high of the day and also a double top from, I believe, the 11th of last month. There, we're up there. Looks like we might get a 2-bar here, 3-bar head and shoulders. Got some separation.
Order pending.
Okay, let's see if we get filled. Nope.
Order canceled.
Okay, we didn't get filled on that order. Let's see how this turns out. Could have a pullback. I thought that was a nice head and shoulders at a key point. Got pretty good separation on the small charts. Should try that again maybe.
Order filled.
Okay, we got our fill. Now let's see if we follow through on that head and shoulders. Say we're looking for a target of about 47. Okay, we're not moving in the right direction yet. Could be forming our shoulder. Okay, this could be a pullback or we could be moving higher.
Stop filled.
Alright, that was a pullback, so we took a loss. we'll take a pause, look for a setup. Okay, I saw a reversion to this trend line. I also saw a move up on 987. It's since mitigated a bit, but I see a strong up until we get to like 755, so I want to try to get part of that.
Stop filled.
Okay, came back and got me. That's my second gift of the day. Let's take a pause. Okay, we're back, and I took a long on changing momentum and resistance coming down on the mid-sized charts. We'll see if we pop up and go up. Again, we're looking to get to 755.
Or target filled.
Okay, I saw momentum change, so I put in a reverse. We'll see how that goes. Okay, we've got 610 on the rail down. I hope that we turn around. Okay, we're still on the rail with 610. We're also coming across the lower band on 987. Could have a foot forming. I think we're seeing this penguin shape. Got to find out from Blue Melee what that means. I believe this is what you call chop, but we're gonna sit tight through this and intend for that long to take place. Excuse me, that short. Okay, I'm going to pause until you see what happens here. We just seem to be going well, wait a minute. Now we're coming down a little bit. We've got to watch out for this 76 area. Could be a reversal there on this small fib chart. Okay, we came down to that 76 area, so we might have a pullback. Could be even be a reversal. But now we're showing 987 breaking below the lower band. Also 1597 looking more and more like a foot of some sort. 4181's on the line, so that's a weak position up. Could come around, as well as 10K. Looks like it could roll down. So we're going to hang in there for anticipating a drop in price. Okay, we're going to take a pause. This is a prolonged effort here. Okay, let's do a recap for the day. Here we see the opening at 8:30. This was probably the trade of the day. We had a real nice foot form on 440. I saw it, but I wasn't ready. My 610 chart wasn't open. I wasn't prepared. We had a lot of noise going on around here, and that was the one to take. If you would have been patient, if you would have gotten out here, that would have been 2 points. If you would have been patient and waited, you could have got 4 points out of that. So that was the trade of the day. I didn't see good setups. Here's the news that came out at 9. Had a big drop and then a gradual rise. It is quite something that the drop was just below and closed below 50, though. Isn't that something? Okay, then a real gradual rise. Finally thought we had a short here when we got up to the day's high plus a double top from last month. That didn't work. That was my first gift. Then I tried to take a long here, gave another gift, and took a long here, tried the reversal. That didn't work. And then took a long here. Oh, that's a stop out from this reversal. And that was my last trade. So I did not have the vision today. Here's my results. Negative 2.9 points. Not very good. We'll digest those and analyze those, and see you tomorrow.